मनोरथ सबके करती, भक्त जनों के संकट हरती, विष को अमृत करती फल में, पत्थर जल में। इसकी करुणा जब है होती, माटी का कण बनता मोती, पतझड़ में फूल खिलावे, अंधियारे में ज्योत जलावे। वेदों में वर्णित महिमा इसकी, ऐसी शोभा और है किसकी। ये नारायण ये ही ज्वाला, जपिए इसके नाम की माला। ये ही है सुखेश्वरी माता, इसका वंदन करे विधाता। पग पंकज की धूरी चंदन, इसका देव करे अभिनंदन। जगदम्बा जगदीश्वरी, दुर्गा दया निधान, इसकी करुणा से बने निर्धन भी धनवान। छिन्नमस्ता जब रंग दिखावे, भाग्यहीन के भाग्य जगावे। इसकी भक्ति कष्ट निवारे, भव सिंधु से पार उतारे। अगम अनंत अगोचर मैया, शीतल मधुकर इसकी छैया। सृष्टि का है मूल भवानी, इसे कभी न भूलो प्राणी। दुर्गा माँ प्रकाश स्वरूपा, जब तक ज्ञान तपस्या रूपा। मन में ज्योत जला लो इसकी, साची लगन लगा लो इसकी। दुर्गा की कर साधना, मन में रख विश्वास। जो मांगोगे पाओगे, क्या नहीं माँ के पास। खड्ग धारिणी हो जब आई, काल रूप महाकाली कहाई। शुंभ निशुंभ को मार गिराया, देवों को भयमुक्त बनाया। अग्निशिखा सी हुई सुशोभित, सूरज की भांति प्रकाशित। युद्ध भूमि में कला दिखाई, दानव बोले त्राहि त्राहि। करे जो इसका जाप निरंतर, चले न उन पर टोना मंत्र। शुभ अशुभ सब इसकी माया, किसी ने इसका पार न पाया। इसकी भक्ति जाए न निष्फल, मुश्किल को ये डाले मुश्किल। कष्टों को हर लेने वाली, अभयदान वर देने वाली। धन लक्ष्मी हो जब आती, कंगाली है मुँह छुपाती। चारों ओर छाए खुशहाली, नजर न आए फिर बदहाली। कल्पतरु है महिमा इसकी, कैसे करूँ मैं बसावे,
मृत्युलोक का भय न आवे।
काल के बंधन तोड़े पल में, सांस की डोरी जोड़े पल में, ये शाकुंभरी माँ सुखदाई।
जहाँ पुकारो वहाँ सहाय,
विंध्यवासिनी नाम से करे जो निस दिन याद, उसके गृह में गूंजता हर्ष का सुरमय नाद। ये चामुंडा चंड मुंड खाती, निर्धन के सिर ताज सजाती, कर्ण शरण में जो कोई जाए,
विपदा उसके निकट न आए।
चिंतपूर्णी चिंता है हरती, अन धन दे भंडारे भरती, आदि अनादि विधि विधाना,
इसकी मुट्ठी में है जमाना।
रोली कुमकुम चंदन टीका, जिसके सम्मुख सूरज फीका, ऋतुराज भी इसका चाकर,
करे आराधन पुष्प चढ़ाकर।
इंद्र देवता भवन धुलावे, नारद वीणा यहाँ बजावे, तीन लोक में इसकी पूजा।
माँ के समना कोई भी दूजा,
ये ही वैष्णव आदि कुमारी, भक्तन की पत राखनहारी, भैरव का वध करने वाली,
बंदा हाथ पकड़ने वाली।
ये करुणा का न्यारा मोती, रूप अनेकों एक है ज्योति, माँ वज्रेश्वरी कांगड़ा वाली।
आली जाए न कोई सवाली,
ये नरसिंही ये वाराही, नेमत देती है मन चाही, सुख समृद्धि दान है करती,
ये कल्याण है करती।
मयूर कही है वाहन इसका, करते ऋषिया वाहन इसका, मीठी ये है सुगंध पवन में,
इसकी मूरत राखो मन में।
नैना देवी रंग इसी का, पतित पावन अंग इसी का, भक्तों के दुख लेती ये है,
नैनों को सुख देती ये है।
नैनन में जो इसे बसाते, बिन मांगे ही सब कुछ पाते, शक्ति का ये सागर गहरा,
ये बजरंगी द्वार पे पहरा।
इसके रूप
To term devotees, the mothers of these beautiful kanyas, if you could just please make your way behind the girls, these little girls, so you could at least hold their bag and have them packing their stuff, right? Just to keep things organized. And now you're invited to come up and give them your gifts.
लीला करती सभी बलाई, जिससे डरती कहीं पे है ये शांत स्वरूपा,
अनुपम देवी अति अनुपा,
अर्चन करना एकाग्र मन से, रोग हरे धनवंतरी बन के, चरण पादुका मस्तक धर लो,
निष्ठा लगन से सेवा कर लो।
मन न करे जो मन सामा का, गौरव उत्तम पाए जहाँ का, मन से मनसा जपना,
पूरा होगा हर एक सपना।
ज्वालामुखी का दर्शन की जो, भय से मुक्ति का वर ली जो, ज्योति यहाँ अखंड है जलती,
जो है अमावस पूनम करती।
श्रद्धा भाव को कम ना करना, दुख में हंसना गम ना करना, घट घट की माँ जानन हारी,
हर लेगी सब पीड़ा तुम्हारी।
बगुलमुखी के द्वारे जाना, मन वांछित ही वैभव पाना, उसी की माया हंसना रोना,
से बेमुख कभी न होना।
शीतल शीतल रस की धारा, कर देगी कल्याण तुम्हारा, धूनी वहाँ पे रमाए रखना,
मन से अलख जगाए रखना।
भजन करो कामाख्या जी का, धाम है जो माँ पार्वती का, सिद्ध माता सिद्धेश्वरी है,
राज रानी राजेश्वरी है।
धूप दीप से उसे मनाना, श्यामा गौरी रटते जाना,
न कोई तरसेगा।
जीवदानी का की जो चिंतन टूट जाएंगे यम के बंधन, महाविद्या की करना सेवा।
ज्ञान ध्यान का पाओगे मेवा।
अर्बुदमा का द्वार निराला, पल में खोले भाग्य का ताला। सुमिरन उसका है फलदायक,
कठिन समय में होए सहायक।
त्रिपुर मालिनी नाम है न्यारा, चमकाए तकदीर का तारा। देवी तालाब में जाकर देखो,
स्वर्ण धाम को माथा टेको।
पाप मसारे धोती पल में, काया कुंदन होती पल में। सिंह चढ़ी माँ अम्बा देखो,
शारदा माँ जगदम्बा देखो।
लक्ष्मी का वहाँ पे वासा, पूरी होती सबकी आशा।
बोले श्री शक्ति जगदम्बिका माता की जय. Devotees, I just want to give some further guidance as to this Kanya Puja. And I go straight to page 260 of Srimad Devi Bhagavatam Puran. O King, perform this Kanya Puja for the satisfaction of the Devi. Not for your satisfaction, for the satisfaction of the Devi, Divine Mother. So that's the intention that behind the performance of this puja. Next point. Give as your means allow. Give as your means allow. He says, show no miserliness or stinginess, we know that word better. Give as your means allow, and as you give the gifts, you bow to the Kanya because you're seeing them as forms of Divine Mother. So just hand them whatever, and you just go. Treat them as forms of Ma. Then the puja is being done properly, most efficiently. So I'm seeing things, so I'm saying, let me just draw to your attention. So bear that in mind. You do the arati, you bow. You offer something to eat or drink, bow. You give them a gift, bow. Call your name, and in your own words, Divine Mother, I'm doing this. These are representatives of you, your 9 forms, and therefore shower your blessing upon me and my family. So bear that in mind. Now, while it is going on, I'll share a few words from Devi Bhagavad again. It says, this is necessary. Bhagwan Shri Ram performed this puja when Divine Mother Sita was abducted. The great individual, he also performed the puja when he wanted betterment in life for his family. And they all undertook tremendous sacrifice. The greatest sacrifice is self-sacrifice. So by being here, you have already made a great sacrifice. I want you to carry it to a logical conclusion. Now we have the 9 of them, and I shall enumerate what Devi Bhagavad says. The one who is 2 years old is called Kumari. So Sarvani, who is Kumari there? We need to know, so they will know what they're doing. 2-year-old is Kumari. And what happens is, I'll tell you the blessing you get by the performance of these individuals. 3 years, Trimurti. 4 years, Kalyani. 5 years, Rohini. 6 years, Kalika. 7th year, Chandika. The 8th year, Shambhavi. And the 9th year, Durga Devi. Devi Ma. Now, what does the worship of these 9 individuals do? The worship of the Kumaris lead to the extinction or eradication of miseries and poverty. Also destruction of one's enemies, external and internal. Also increment of riches, longevity and power. So a lot of benefits in the performance of this. When you worship now, that for the 2-year-old, you go to the 3-year-old, longevity again, acquisition of 3 things, virtue, wealth, and fulfillment of desires, the coming of riches, sons and grandsons. So you realize the vast benefits one accrues. Not only sons but grandsons also. Then we worship 3-year-old, 4-year-old for learning, victory, material prosperity, happiness, and fulfillment of desires. Now these might appear simple, but everybody in some form is seeking those things. Then we worship Rohini for the cure of diseases. We see people everywhere saying, I try all sorts of things, I've been to this doctor, that hospital, and yet the sickness remains. So here, Divine Mother is her power, and these are her words. Men should worship the 6-year-old for cure of diseases, destruction of enemies. Kalika is worshipped for prosperity and riches. Chandika is worshipped for devotion, for the enchanting and overpowering of one's enemies, for the removal of miseries, poverty, for victory in battles. Shambhavi worship is best. And for the destruction of awfully terrible enemies, and especially the internal enemies. Not only here, but in the next world, the worship of Durga is the safest and best, most powerful. And Subhadra, finally, for fulfillment of desires. How shall we do this? With great devotion. Worship them as you chant mantras. And there are 2 powerful mantras I will share with you. 9-letter mantra. What is it? Om, according to Devi Bhagavat, Om Shrim, Hrim, Klim, Chandigai Namah. Another mantra, Om Hrim Shrim Dum Durgai Namah. The 9-letter mantra. So those among many others, if you know more, so be it. We have no problem. So this makes the whole Kanya Puja so much more meaningful. You're bringing meaning to what you're doing. It's not just simply entertain them as guests. As the occasion warrants, yes, but it's much, much more. So I thought I will share this with you. And now, as they sit there in all your regal splendor, you have done your part. I want you now to pray in your own way, in your own words. Look at them, look at your mother, look at any form of ma, and we join in this powerful Bindheshwari Stotra. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah, Shri Shardaaye Namah, Om Namaschandikaye. निशुंभ शुंभ गर्जने प्रचंड मुंड खंडिनी बने रने प्रकाशिनी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी त्रिशूल मुंड धारिणी धरा विघात हारिणी गृहे गृहे निवासिनी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी दरिद्र दुख हारिणी सदा विभूतिकारिणी वियोग शोक हारिणी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी लसत्सुलोल लोचनं लतासनं बरप्ररं कपाल शूलधारिणी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी करादमादाधरा शिवा श्रीप्रदायिनी वरा वरानना शुभा भजामि विंध्यवासिनी ऋषीन्द्र जामिनी तदं त्रिधास्य रूपधारिणीं जले थले निवासिनी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी विशिष्ट शिष्ट कारिणी विशाल रूप धारिणी महोदरे विलासिनी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी पुरंदरारि सेवितं पुरारि वंश खंडितं विशुद्ध बुद्धि कारिणी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी भजामि विंध्यवासिनी। बोले श्री शक्ति जगदम्बिका माता की। And now we glorify Ma in a kirtan or two. Join with us as the puja continues. दुर्गा काली माँ जय जय दुर्गा काली माँ दुर्गा काली माँ जय जय दुर्गा काली माँ दुर्गा काली माँ जय जय दुर्गा काली माँ दुर्गा काली माँ जय जय दुर्गा काली माँ
दुर्गा काली माँ जय जय दुर्गा काली माँ
हे दुर्गा काली माँ मैया दुर्गा काली माँ
दुर्गा काली माँ मैया दुर्गा काली माँ
हो दुर्गा काली माँ मैया दुर्गा काली माँ
दुर्गा काली माँ मैया दुर्गा काली माँ
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ जय जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ बोलो दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ हे दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ
हो दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ
दुर्गा शारदा माँ जय जय दुर्गा शारदा माँ
दुर्गा शारदा माँ जय जय दुर्गा शारदा माँ
दुर्गा शारदा माँ जय जय दुर्गा शारदा माँ हे दुर्गा शारदा माँ मैया दुर्गा शारदा माँ
दुर्गा शारदा माँ मैया दुर्गा शारदा माँ
हो दुर्गा शारदा माँ मैया दुर्गा शारदा माँ
दुर्गा शारदा माँ मैया दुर्गा शारदा माँ
गंगा तुलसी माँ जय जय गंगा तुलसी 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 माँ
हे गंगा तुलसी माँ मैया गंगा तुलसी माँ
गंगा तुलसी माँ मैया गंगा तुलसी माँ
हे गंगा तुलसी माँ मैया गंगा तुलसी माँ
गंगा तुलसी माँ मैया गंगा तुलसी माँ
राधा सीता माँ मैया राधा सीता माँ
राधा सीता माँ मैया राधा सीता माँ
जय जय राधा सीता माँ मैया राधा सीता माँ। हे राधा सीता माँ, मैया राधा सीता माँ। ओ राधा सीता माँ, मैया राधा सीता माँ। दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ, मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ, मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। हे दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ, मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ, मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ, मैया दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। जय जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी माँ। बोलो दुर्गा काली माँ। जय जय गंगा तुलसी माँ। बोलो गंगा। बोले श्री आदिशक्ति अटल छत्र की जय। So the Kanya Puja is complete, the devotees. So I will share a few words with you and then we proceed. Because I was warned, tomorrow is school. So, that is right, yeah. So, devotees, you would have heard many a time, Divine Mother. She had to come to the rescue of her devotees. Because of demonic forces. And I'll share a few words on the demonic forces. They are called Asur, Rakshas. They are egoistic people. I'm not saying too much, but the little I'm saying is full with meaning. They are egoistic people who are bent or only given to pleasures of the body and the senses. That's demon, that's Rakshas. All they want is fun, merriment, gaiety and festivity. Nothing is wrong with that. But if it's too much, and there's a time and place for it too. Anyway, I move on. The sages say these demons represent various stages of egoism. Egoism has different stages. So, we didn't read the Katha, we didn't talk about it, but I'm sharing a few of them with you. Dhrumlochan. Dhrumlochan, his eyes like smoke. The eyes like smoke. So what it refers to? One with blurred vision. I'm talking about, medically, Where I can come to anybody medically. We're speaking of spiritually. You're not seeing the right thing. You're not seeing exactly what is what. So that's a gross state of ignorance and egoism. I go on Chand. You must have Chand and Mund. Mund is also a state of egoism. But he is more the horrible side. Bad side, worst side. Mund, he is also a state of egoism, but on the less evil side. So there are different levels of evil, you know that. As different levels of goodness. Different levels of vision. 2020 and now 2030, I don't know. We'll see. Then Rakta Bij, he represents the subtle stage increasing in our lives as we get older. Shumba Nishumb, there are more serious aspects of egoism. Ego and attachment. Shumba Nishumb. I'll talk a little bit about Rakta Bij. Rakta Bij, he had a blessing, if you want to call it that. If a drop of his blood should fall, another one will come into being. Remember the point of cloning? So if a drop of his blood should fall, another one will go into being. And that's why you see Kali with her tongue out and a bowl collecting the blood. That none of it should come into being again. Once you deal with him, that's it. So, Rakta Bij is the crafty one. And Divine Mother had to come out to wipe him out. Don't allow another one to get into existence. Then we have Argala Stotra. Rupam Dehi Jayang Dehi Yasho Dehi Visho Jahi. It's a whole long, we can't go into that. What does it mean? Rupam Dehi Jayang Dehi. We are asking, I want beauty. I want the form. But what is beauty and what is the form? The beauty obviously is internal. The good ways that we all should have. And we all know how important that is. As opposed to the other kind of way. And when we say beauty, we mean beauty of self-knowledge. Any man who knows himself will understand others. And therefore, beauty of self-knowledge is so important. Not only me and me alone. We want Mother to help us to uncover that, to remove it. And then we'll be able to see in reality. How many of us are seeing in reality? So when you hear they say, Mother killed the demon, it's not fighting. She's telling us what we need to get rid of if we want to make life make sense. Devotees, next Navratri come, and I'll say the same thing. We'll have to decide how many of those demons we have destroyed. I'm trying hard to kill the demon of hate and greed and lust, oh God. What are you trying? Which one are you trying to kill or get rid of? Only you know. Anyway, Navratri comes to tell us a lot about the focus Hinduism has on women, or Stri, Shakti, energy and power. The greatest energy and the greatest power is that which you have, your character. If we don't have character, as you have heard it saying, when wealth is lost, a lot is lost. When health is lost, more is lost. And when character goes, then all for long, you're gone. Character is so important. And if what we need to develop, inculcate, especially in our children. We're being told we must pay particular attention to our mothers, our daughters, etc. In our country, in the last 2 weeks, a lot of women from children go right back, 12-year-old, gone, dead. Are you reading? I don't want to go into that. We need to be mindful of where we go, where our daughters go, where our wives go, where our mothers go. And we know they have an attitude sometimes. Leave me alone, I go, I could take myself. Well, fix up. When it happens, then you realize how much you could help yourself. Don't let it happen. And we the men have a vital role to play in that. We have to help them. We have to work with them. I don't want to say no more. And there are great women in Hinduism after whom you can pattern your lives. Savitri Devi. Briefly, I've told you this already. She wanted to get, well, her father wanted to get her married. She looked all over. She didn't find anybody as suiting Dulaha. And so the father got fed up. Say, look, you check see for yourself. And one day she happened to see a simple woodcutter who were looking after his parents in the forest. And immediately she sent the soldier and said, go and call my father, tell him I have found a person to get married to. Now, if you get somebody to get married and they're really, appropriate, then God bless you. That's a blessing by itself, So they told the king, he came. He said, but Betty, he's a woodcutter, you are princess and he's a pauper. Again, we must have balance. But we look at balance mainly in the physical sense. I rich and you poor. I driving Benz and you riding donkey cart. That's not how you look at life. Not so. Anyway, I'm finishing just now, man. Can you? I don't make sure what I'm saying. Okay, I don't join you, so it'll keep you awake and here. So they cut the whole story short. She said, Daddy, that's the person I get married to, and nobody else. So they went by the Baba. I hope you always consult your Pandit. You want to do things on your own, fix up. I have no problem with that. I have no problem. You think you could make your own decision and spiritual advice is not important? Raja Dasharatha never said that, never showed that. And scriptures don't show that. But you have to decide. Every king long ago had an advisor who was a spiritual man. How many of them leaders now have advisors who are spiritual people? You get the best advisor who could pay, who command the highest salary, and that is not real advice. Anyway, Guruji said she will die when the age of 12 comes. She'll be happy for that short while, but after that husband dead, you're a widow. And there are over 40,000 widows in Trinidad right now. I ain't frightened of nobody. Over 40,000 widows. That is who are legal widows. How many living in like the husband a day? That's a different kind of widow. Anyway, we can't go there with these young girls here. We want the best for them. Forgive me for saying things out of place. So she said, Father, that's the person I get married to. They got married. When your daughter wants something, many parents can't say no to the girl, How are you going to say no to the daughter? You want to please them. And so, things going good. 12 years reached. The husband died when they went to fetch firewood. He told her, do come with me. Her in-laws heard him saying that. And they said, no, we have a good daughter-in-law. If you have a good daughter-in-law, hold on to them. I ain't saying you have a bad one, let them go. I'm saying you are blessed if you have a good daughter-in-law. There's so many things you could say in these stories, but we can't go into it. And all of these girls will make good daughter-in-law. I hope it parents don't mind. They should, because they're doing the right thing, they're being blessed. So, I'll have to cut it. What happened is, when the body dies, the soul comes out, either through the mouth, top of the head, ears, wherever, depending on what kind of life you live. And so she was able to see the soul of her husband leave the body. I wish many women could see that. I could only wish. And how did she do that? And this is, I've said it before, if anybody wants to see the soul when it's leaving the body, for 1 year perform Havan. Do Havan. And when the time comes for the death of your husband, you will see the soul. Then you know what to do. She began to follow it, and Yamaraj said, no, you are interfering with my work, go back. She remained obstinate. I can't go back, that's the soul of my husband. I can't get the body, at least I hold on to the soul. And the soul is what you should hold on to in any case. So eventually, they had that stalemate. Yamaraj said, you have to go back. She said, no, I'm not going until you give me what I want. So she had 3 wishes. Yamaraj said, I can't give you 3 wishes. What wishes? I'll give you 1. And what was it? She wanted to see her blind in-laws get back their sight. She wanted to have a son. And she wanted her husband to live. That's 3 wishes, but how you getting 1? 1. And she very intelligently, through the grace of Saraswati Ma, she said, Therefore, if it's only one wish, then here is what my one wish is. I wish to see my husband, I wish my in-laws to see their husband, their grandson, sitting on the throne eating sweet rice. Let me go over that. They said, we wish to see our grandson sitting on the throne. So to have a grandson, your husband had to live. And then you'll have the child with him. And sitting on a throne, to get the throne, means you had to get back your kingdom. So 3 wishes fulfilled in one. Sati Savitri. That was a great movie. I don't know if you saw that, Sumati. What? Them things make you cry. Sati Savitri, and she is one of the forms of Divine Mother. Yeah. So you get another katha again, besides it Kanya Puja. So there have been great women in Hinduism, and there are great women here in our country and elsewhere. I'll just enumerate 1 or 2 again. There is this individual, we have Savitri. There's one called Anusuya. She was able to transform Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh into babies and nurse them. That's what they asked for. There's another one, Sumati. We have Sumati here. Like all Sumati, special people. This Sumati, she was told, if the sun should rise, your husband would die. And she remained whole night praying and praying and praying and praying and praying. And devotees, morning came and the sun didn't rise. People were scared. Imagine you get up a morning and no sunshine. What will happen? We need sunshine. The sun is a source of light, life, heat and energy. So, the Devatas realized Sumati was the cause of this. I can't give her wrong. She doesn't want the sun to rise, because if the sun should rise, her husband would die. So they appealed to her mother. We understand what you're doing. We understand your love for your husband. But without the world, we have a world to look after. The world will suffocate. Please stop this prayer and let the sun rise, and then we'll see what we'll do to help you and your husband. And she stopped the prayer. Sun rose, everybody was happy. So devotees, those are just some of the great women in Hindu scripture from mythology or stories. And there's a lot more, but I have to end it here. So today, Navratri, unlike any other religion or civilization, I'm not condemning anybody. I'm reminding you of the greatness of your own. Navratri is a special time for the remembrance and worship of Divine Mother in all her forms and manifestation, starting with your own mother. I can't expect to get Divine Mother blessing and bowling at my mother, watching she had, treating she bad. I'm fooling myself. I'm living in a fool's paradise. And many may not like that. That's okay. I didn't come here to make anybody feel nice. I'm just saying what I know from the scripture. So, mother is knowledge. That's why they say bow to your books and bow to your teacher. Respect them. Mother is Ganga. Water, don't waste it. You know how important water is? Even in the body, if there's no liquid, you dry up. Then mother is also cow, meaning the environment, the animals. Can we live without the environment, the birds, the trees and all these things? We need that. Without that, we dead. So wide is the ramification and definition of mother in Hinduism. And today, we have 9 wonderful, beautiful children. I say blessings to you all. I don't know your names, every one of you, but you all look wonderful, beautiful. And special blessing to your parents for sending you all here and coming with you so that we can worship you and give you gifts. When you go home, you will check out the gifts. I know you're anxious and eager. I remember a few years ago when we did this, oh Lord, I couldn't talk, I couldn't do anything. Every man dived down in the bag. And they started to check what they got. And they compare into, them children are easy, they're good. So, blessings to you all. You know what? I want to hear a sweet voice. The first one, what's your name? Oh God, hello, hello. What's your name? Come help them, please, help them. Yeah, give them a mic. Ooh, give them mic and thing too. All good. Better yet. Let her come forward now. Right, stay there. Say your name.
Yeah.
Speak up now.
Avni.
Avni what?
Avni Prasad.
Very good. God bless you. Right, next one. Next one. Take care, you have a job there. Right? Put some volume on my
Ashriya.
Oh, okay. What?
Ashriya Bara.
Shriya Maharaj? Huh? Ashriya. Oh, very good. Very good, Ashriya. Next.
Sanjana Mana.
Huh? Okay, nice. Go ahead.
Divya Makilakad.
Vidya. Oh, Divya. All right, Divya.
Rutvika Raivaram.
Wow. Blessings to you all.
Arya Ganesh.
All right. Adya.
Ambi Prasad.
Hey. I didn't hear it good, eh?
Ganesh.
Oh my God. All right.
Archana Ganesh.
All right. So blessing to you all. Let's say it for them. So we are happy to have you all, and we hope you will be with us as long as possible. But you know, when we reach 10, you can't have this again. We'll have another type of celebration for you. But God bless you. You all look well, and I hope you're happy. Anybody want to say something to the people, to everybody? Come, somebody must have a brave one. We must have a brave one to speak on behalf of the whole group. No, it can't take long. It's going late. I'll go later, you know. Come on. Somebody. Thank them, say whatever, how you
Thank you
feeling,
for the gifts I'm coming today.
and how you feeling.
Happy and
Right.
grateful.
They all feeling happy?
Yeah.
You sure? Are you all happy? Okay, thank you very much. Good. So our Shrota this evening is an individual who went to India with us, a wonderful person. She's very enterprising, and she had wonderful experiences in India. and her name is Sita, and she has served the country and continues to serve the country. So we say blessings to you, Sita. Well done, keep up the good work. And so devotees, Havan? Okay, let's do the Havan together, collectively. With the mic. Wait now, buddy. Swaha. Swaha.
Om Suryadi Navagraha Devata Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Agin Devata Swaha. Om Dum Durgaya Namah Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Aim Kamalavasanye Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Aim Vrindavanye Tulsi Maharani Swaha. Om Aim Shri Saraswati Swaha. Om Shri Kalika Devi Swaha. Om Prithvi Devi Swaha. Om Annapurna Devi Swaha. Om Hrim Shashti Devyai Swaha. Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Sita Ramachandraya Swaha. Om Radha Krishna Govindaya Swaha. Om Surya Devata Swaha. Om Hanumantaya Swaha. Om Ishta Devata Swaha. Om Kul Devata Swaha. Om Sthan Devata Swaha. Om Gram Devata Swaha. Om Itatkaran Pradan Devata Swaha. Om Bastu Devata Swaha. Om 33 Crore Devata Swaha. Om Sarva Devata Swaha. Om Sarva Devi Swaha. Om Sharanat Surupaya Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Guru Devata Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Lalita Tupra Sundari Devi Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Shakambari Devi Swaha.
Swaha.
One more big handful. Yeah, a big one. Yeah. Leave back a little bit. Om Mahalakshmi Mata Swaha.
Swaha.
Please all stand, devotees. Om Purnamira Purnamiram Purnata Purnamurachate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashashate Om Sarvam Vai Purnagvam Swaha.
Swaha. Remain standing for the arati. It's your choice. Today you are blessed. You have beside normal murtis, you have the 9 kanya. Come and do arati. Bow. Now let's stay right here after the closing prayer. And return to your respective seat, but don't sit until the closing prayer. So, Sajam Chavarti Sanyuktang Vahin Yogitang Maya Deepam Grihana Devasya Trayokya Timirapam Iti Deepam Agni Rajotir Namah Deepam Samarpayami. I will sing the arati, Pandit Vinayak Chandan. Right? Om Agni Rajotir Namah. Jai Ambe Gauri Maiya, Jai Shama Gauri Maiya, Jai Ambe Gauri Maiya, Jai Shama Gauri Maiya. जय मंगल मूर्ति मैया जय आनंद करनी तुमको निस दिन ध्यावत हरि ब्रह्मा शिवरी मांग सिंदूर विराजत तीको मृग मद को जल से दो नैना चंद्र बदननी को कनक समान कलेवर रत्नांबर राजे रक्त पुष्प गलमाला कंठन पर साजे हरि वाहन राजत खड्ग खपर धारी सुर नर मुनि जन सेवत तिनके दुख हारी कानन कुंडल शोभित नासाग्रे मोती कोटिक चंद्र दिवाकर समराजत ज्योति शुंभ निशुंभ विदारे महिषासुर घाती धूम्र विलोचन नैना निश दिन मदमाती चंद मूंड संहारे शोणित बीज हरे मधु कैकव गौ मारे सुर भय हीन करे ब्रह्मानी रुद्रानी तुम कमला रानी आगम निगम बखानी तुम शिव पतरानी तुम हो जग की माता तुम ही हो भरता भक्त के दुख ये हरता सुख संपत्ति करता नाचत योगिनी गावत नृत्य करत भैरो बाजत ताल मृदंगा और बाजत डमरू
जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी मैया
पूजाचार्यति शोभित वरमुद्राधारी मन बांछित फल पावत सेवत नर नारी
जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी मैया
कंचन थाल विराजत अकर कपूर बाती श्री माँ के तुम राजत को तीर तन ज्योति अम्बे जी की आरती जो कोई नर गावे कहत शिवानंद स्वामी सुख संपत्ति पावे जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी मैया अम्बा भवानी माँ अम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी माँ हे अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी हे अम्बा भवानी मैया अम्बा भवानी ओ अम्बा भवानी माता अम्बा भवानी ओ अम्बा भवानी मैया अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी मैया अम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी माँ अम्बा भवानी हे अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा
गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना 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 गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर गंगा वही पर जमुना बिछुआ में धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर चंद्रा वही पर सरजू बिछुआ में तारा उगेना उगेना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण बिछुआ में सीता हरिना हरिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना
Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम
Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
ओम शक्ति ओम
Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om.
ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम
Brahma Shakti, Vishnu Shakti, Shakti Shakti Om.
Brahma Shakti, 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 Om.
Brahma Shakti, Vishnu Shakti, Shiva Shakti Om.
Brahma Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, Sharda Shakti Om.
Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, Sharda Shakti, Om.
Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, Sharda Shakti Om.
Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, Sharda Shakti, Om.
Hey Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti Om.
Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti, Om.
Om Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti Om.
Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti, Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti Om.
Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Shiva Shakti, 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 Om Shakti, Om. Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, Sharda Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Lakshmi Shakti, Durga Shakti, Sharda Shakti, Om. Lakshmi Shakti, Durga Shakti, Sharda Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Shiva Shakti, Sita Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Then you have pray. Put your hands together now. Eyes closed, bow your head. Pray for yourselves, pray for your mother, your father, and whoever else, grandparents, whatever. Ask for blessings, guidance, help, and protection. Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu, Mangalam Garudhvajam, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalayatano Hari. Om Avahanam na janami visarjanam, Pujang chaiva na janami, Chammatam Parmeshwari. We join in Tvameva Mata. Tvameva Mata, Chapita Tvameva. Tvameva bandhoscha sekha tvameva. Tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We join in saying Jai Jaikar. Bole Shri Jagdambika Mata ki, Umapati Mahadev ki, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki, Uraisa Jagarnath ki, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki, Bole Shri Guru Maharaj ki. And now let's say Kanya say this one. Swaha Mata ki. I hear all you. Swaha Mata ki. Oh my God. Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. All right, blessings to all. Shubh Mastu, Kalyan Mastu. आपको धन्यवाद, सत्य आशीर्वाद and devotee.